Narrated Ziyad bin Ilaka, I heard Jarir bin Abdullah praising Allah. On the day when Al-Mughira bin Shubiye died, he, Jarir, got up on the pulpit and thanked and praised Allah and said, "Be afraid of Allah alone, who has none along with him to be worshipped. You should be calm and quiet till the new chief comes to you, and he will come to you soon. Ask Allah's forgiveness for your late chief, because he himself loved to forgive others." Jarir added, "Amma Bedu, now then. I went to the Prophet and said, I give my pledge of allegiance to you for Islam. The Prophet conditioned my pledge for me to be sincere and true to every Muslim, so I gave my pledge to him for this. By the Lord of this mosque, I am sincere and true to you, Muslims." Then Jarir asked for Allah's forgiveness and came down from the pulpit.